You're what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's going on? You hear me? It's your boy Fred, back with another video. Oh man, yo, tired dog. More time, I don't even want to go in the garage, bro. I don't even want to work on a car. You feel me? But kind of tired of seeing these parts every time I walk in. So let's do an unboxing of what I got going on here today. I'm still waiting on my hard race lower ball joints. I'm going to replace those. And I'm waiting on my full body coilovers. I'm taking off the function and form type 1s. And I'm going with some, I think it's 16 way or 32 way something dampering thingamajiggy. I might raise it up some. I don't know yet, but let's turn the car around, put it more centered, and raise them up. First, get the jack. Fire upon that. Get the lifting mechanism. Come on now, surfing a jack. You see me? Fire. Raise up the car. Take off the wheel. You guys already know all this little small stuff, yo. You need to explain myself on them things. You see me? Alright, well, I figured since I'm gonna be working in this area, I think these calipers had better days. So I'm probably gonna take these off and sand them down and paint them. Probably black, something like red. I was going through my red phase, you know, I had a red Recaros and shit, you feel me? But yeah, scratch that. So this is my 5-lug US Type R, 32 millimeter, not 36. So we're gonna be replacing the old Pum Pum Club. Come on now, I said body that went in a body club, you see me? The old Pum Pum Club camber kit. Yo, dog, my head gone today. I can't think. Yeah, the camera kits. And then we're gonna be replacing the low control arm right here. And if you can see, a ball joint is clapped. Yeah, see, yeah, that's clapped. And these right here, this is the compliance bushing. And I mean, I don't think I need to, but since I'm doing all of this suspension upgrade, might as well change the wheel bearing as well. I don't know. Depending on how the fun's looking. I mean, if I already have it off and I'm pressing out the ball joint, I might as well press out the wheel bearing, you know? One thing my grandmother always teach me, prevention is better than cure. If you don't understand what that means, it means that, say for instance, I do just change the ball joint and don't change the wheel bearing, and then next week the wheel bearing decides to take a shit on me. If I had changed it when I had it all out, prevention is better than cure. Yeah, so we got the hub out. I mean the spindle. It looks like I'm gonna need some new tie rods as well. Hey man, if you're gonna do it right the first time. All right, so I got the spindle out with the upper camber kit. As you can see, bruh, clapped. RIP to that. Change of plans. I'm changing everything. So I gotta get inner, outer tie rods, wheel bearings. So got the Skunk 2 version of this. We got a side-by-side comparison. Alright, so this side is done. Just got to get